My name's Matthew, producer of other how-to videos, such as how to clean a keyboard in your dishwasher, and how to connect the NES 8-bit Nintendo to your TV. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make an oven pizza, a frozen pizza. So, before you can cook anything, you're going to need to preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit. For step 2, you will need to remove all the packaging that is keeping the pizza in the box. This means I will need a sharp object. I'm going to use some scissors. Let's see if I can cut this pizza out of the box. Once you've removed the pizza from the box and from the wrap, I must emphasize one more thing to all of the people watching this video, or to all of the people watching this how-to video. Do not forget to remove the cardboard. Do not bake your pizza on cardboard, because it will taste really funny. Put the pizza in the oven. Finally, set a timer for 13 to 15 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 13 minutes. Check on the pizza when the alarm goes off. Let your pizza sit and cool for 5 minutes. That's good.